Have you ever needed to make a spreadsheet and thought, okay, where do I even open Google Sheet? Don't worry, a lot of beginners hit that same wall. Today, I'll show you two super simple ways to open it so that you can get started in less than a minute. Let's start with Google Drive. Once you are signed in your account, the way I've signed in, you just head over to your Google Drive here. I've already opened it. Then to open Google Sheets, you just click this plus button on your top left. You click on it, then you scroll down to Google Sheets. Then you click this other icon. Then you select blank sheets, and immediately you are signed into your Google Sheets. And the most important thing, anything you create here is automatically stored in your drive. You don't need to worry about saving files manually. But maybe you don't want to go through Drive every single time. So what's the faster way? Just go to your address bar and type sheets.google.com and enter. Once you hit enter, this takes you directly to Google Sheets, where you'll find a list of existing files like I have here, plus a very big blank sheets, plus blank spreadsheet where you can click and open your Google Sheets immediately. It's like having a shortcut straight into your workspace. So if you like staying organized, Drive is the way to go. But if you just need speed, typing the direct link is way quicker. And that's it, two easy doors to Google Sheets. Drive for structure or direct link for speed. Now you'll never get stuck just trying to open Sheets again. If this helped, stick around. Tomorrow I'll walk you through the Sheets interface step by step so you feel confident the moment you open it. Thank you and see you next time.